Motherboards with USB-C ports ensure faster data transfer, universal device compatibility, and future-ready connectivity for modern peripherals and accessories. My today's video is about top 5 best motherboard that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gigabyte Motherboard. This AMD AM4 motherboard is a strong choice for builders seeking a stable, future-ready platform for Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors. Its digital twin 10 plus 3-phase VRM design with premium chokes and capacitors ensures consistent and efficient power delivery, making it suitable for both gaming and productivity workloads. The enhanced thermal armor, featuring enlarged VRM heat sinks and high-quality thermal pads, helps maintain low temperatures under heavy load, improving long-term reliability. Support for DDR4 memory with 4 DMM slots and AMD Expo compatibility allows users to maximize performance through optimized memory tuning. Connectivity is another major strength, offering Wi-Fi 6, PCIe 4.0, dual M.2 slots, USB 3.2 Gen 2, and Type-C support, ensuring fast data transfer and modern peripheral compatibility. With its pre-installed I/O armor and balanced feature set, this motherboard delivers excellent value for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts building a powerful and efficient system. Now our second product is Inland Motherboard. This Ryzen 5 5500-based PC bundle with the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 desktop processor and Gigabyte B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6 motherboard delivers a well-balanced and efficient platform for gamers and productivity users. The 6-core, 12-thread processor with up to 4.2 GHz boost offers smooth multitasking and reliable 100+ FPS performance in popular esports and mainstream titles when paired with a discrete GPU. Its unlocked design and large cache further enhance responsiveness for demanding workloads. The B550 motherboard strengthens the system with PCIe 4.0 support, dual M.2 slots, and DDR4 capacity up to 128 GB, ensuring strong upgrade flexibility. Advanced power delivery with a 10 plus 3-phase VRM design and premium thermal armor keeps performance stable under load, while Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 add modern wireless connectivity. Our third product is Ashrock Motherboard. This AMD AM4 motherboard offers a solid and budget-friendly foundation for building or upgrading a Ryzen-based system, supporting Ryzen 3000 for 1000G series and 5000 series processors for broad compatibility and future flexibility. Its 8-phase DG power design ensures stable and efficient power delivery, helping maintain consistent performance during gaming, multitasking, and productivity workloads. With support for high-speed DDR4 memory up to 4733+ MHz OC, it provides strong potential for performance tuning and system responsiveness. The inclusion of dual PCIe 3.0x16 slots allows for flexible expansion options, while the M.2 key E-slot enables easy Wi-Fi module integration for wireless connectivity upgrades. Multiple display outputs including HDMI, DisplayPort, and D-Sub ensure compatibility with both modern and older monitors, making it versatile for different setups. Now number 4, Asus Motherboard. This Asus AM5 motherboard is a high-end, future-ready platform built for next-generation AI, computing, and powerful Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors. Its robust 14 plus 2 plus 1 power delivery system rated at 80A per stage ensures exceptional stability for multi-core workloads, gaming, and demanding AI-driven applications. Advanced thermal design with large heat sinks, high conductivity pads, and integrated I/O shielding keeps temperatures under control even under heavy sustained loads. Storage and speed capabilities are impressive, featuring a PCIe 5.0 M.2 slot alongside multiple PCIe 4.0 slots for ultra-fast SSD performance and expansion flexibility. Connectivity is also cutting-edge with Wi-Fi 7 support, OS-dependent, AI networking too, and intelligent tuning tools like AMP and ASUS AI Advisor that simplify optimization. Aura Sync RGB and extensive software utilities enhance customization and control. And our last choice is MSI Motherboard. Support more cores and provide better performance. This AM4 motherboard is a reliable and value-focused choice for users building or upgrading systems with first, second, and third-gen AMD Ryzen processors, including APUs with Radeon Vega graphics. Its support for DDR4 memory up to 3466 plus megahertz OC allows for decent performance tuning, ensuring smoother multitasking and gaming responsiveness. The inclusion of Turbo M.2 with PCIe Gen 3x4 support significantly boosts NVMe SSD speeds, reducing load times and improving overall system efficiency. Core Boost technology with a premium digital power design enhances CPU stability and allows better utilization of multi-core processors, making it suitable for both productivity and light gaming workloads. The Easy Debug LED feature is especially useful for beginners and PC builders, simplifying troubleshooting during setup or maintenance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.